Zombie Apocalypse.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Rehan Abdul Hafiz dari Prodi S1 Informatika. Di sini saya akan mereview jurnal dari analisis jaringan Local Area Network atau LAN. Oke, di sini saya akan membahas review jurnalistik yang akan saya bahas. Yang pertama yaitu adalah jaringan. Jaringan atau kita dalam bahasa Inggrisnya yaitu network. Network is a collection of several computers and other supporting equipment that are connected in one unit and connected to each other. Atau ketikkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia, jaringan merupakan kumpulan dari beberapa komputer dan peralatan penunjang lainnya yang terhubung dalam satu kesatuan yang saling terkoneksi. Kedua adalah LAN atau Local Area Network. LAN atau Local Area Network dalam bahasa Inggris yaitu LAN consists of several computers connected in a network. On this network, each computer can access data from other computers. Besides that, computers connected to the LAN can also run hardware such as printer from the other computer. The number of computers connected to the LAN is relatively small. For example, like computers at home, internet cafes, and several other places where the computer is included in LAN. Atau dalam arti bahasa Indonesianya yaitu yang kedua yaitu LAN atau Local Area Network. LAN terdiri dari beberapa komputer yang terhubung dalam suatu jaringan. Pada jaringan ini, setiap komputer dapat mengakses data dari komputer lain. Selain itu, komputer juga dapat mengakses data dari komputer lain. Komputer yang terhubung dalam LAN juga dapat menjalankan hardware seperti printer, chatting dengan pemilik komputer lain, atau bermain game bersama. Jumlah komputer yang terhubung pada LAN relatif kecil, misal komputer-komputer di rumah, warnet tempat kos, dan beberapa tempat lain yang komputernya termasuk dalam LAN. Adapun topologi star atau star topology atau dalam bahasa Inggrisnya itu is a technology that's connected several computers using a device like a hub or switch which functions as a controller of all computers connected in the network. Dalam bahasa Indonesianya yaitu merupakan topologi yang menghubungkan beberapa komputer dengan menggunakan perangkat yaitu hub dan atau switch. Perangkat ini berfungsi sebagai pengontrol dari semua komputer yang terhubung dengan jaringan. Keuntungan star topologi yaitu very reliable among other topologies atau sangat handal di antara topologis lainnya. Yang kedua yaitu keamanan data tinggi. Yang ketiga yaitu kemudahan akses ke jaringan LAN lain. Lalu ada pun kerugiannya yaitu lalu lintas data yang padat menyebabkan jaringan lambat. Yang kedua yaitu jaringan tergantung pada terminal pusat. Ada pun juga komponen utama jaringan komputer. Yang pertama itu hardware atau perangkat keras, yaitu bagian dari komputer yang dapat you can see, you can touch, like monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU, and other else. Atau yang bisa disebut dalam bahasa Indonesianya yaitu dapat dilihat dan diraba dengan tangan. Adapun pendukung untuk membangun suatu jaringan yaitu yang pertama adalah LAN card. LAN card adalah sebuah alat yang sangat penting dalam membangun sebuah jaringan baik dalam skala kecil maupun besar. Yang kedua adalah hub. Hub adalah kotak persegi panjang kecil, biasanya terbuat dari plastik yang menerima daya dari stop kontak pada dinding biasa. Yang ketiga ada router. Router adalah suatu perangkat yang berfungsi untuk menghubungkan dua buah jaringan yang memiliki perbedaan pada lapisan OSI 1, 2, dan 3. Misal LAN dengan network akan dihubungkan dengan jaringan yang menggunakan Unix. Sekian dari penjelasan dari interview jurnalis saya. Terima kasih. Mohon maaf atas kesalahan kata yang saya sampaikan pada jurnalistik interview tadi. Kalau yang ingin lebih tahu mendalami tentang materi yang saya sampaikan tadi, silahkan klik deskripsi yang di bawah ini. Terima kasih dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wa mursalin Sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Good. I hope you all have a good day. And in this opportunity, I'm sorry, before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Akli. And in this opportunity, I would like to review a journal about the development of a wireless computer network using FreeBSD as gateway. But before we move into the main topic, I want to give a little explanation about wireless network, computer network, and FreeBSD. Wireless computer network is a computer network that uses air as its liaison media, and the tools to connect the network is access point. But there is also another alternative apart from using access point, and that is a PC that uses FreeBSD as its operating system with POSIX basis, portable operating system based on Unix, that developed by Berkeley University of California. Moving into the basic of the theory, FreeBSD operating system has a good stability and fast information security advice. In its official website, FreeBSD has wireless device support and tools for configuring wireless device on its default installation. Configuration for FreeBSD is very easy, especially for NAT and router configuration. However, the installation for FreeBSD is harder than Windows or Linux. Harder than Windows and Linux. The result of the trial is that the simulated test of access point using FreeBSD is done by trying to trace whether the packets thrown by the wireless workstation can reach the wired network. Testing can be done in various methods because there are two different configurations using NAT and NAT, and method for hacking is different. The first is testing the router without using NAT. The test is simply done using the ping utility, where the laptop pings the mandrake.petra.ac.id server on a cable network, and there is response from the server, so the router that is made to connect the wireless network and the cable network has been successful. And for the second configuration, the test method is a bit complicated because the utility rarely displays the entire content of a package for simplicity sake. Log into John's server petra.ac.id on the cable network and see where the user logged in with command W. And if the user location comes from the IP address 2.2.202.43.253.9 or hostname met.petra.ac.id, then NAT has been successful. And the conclusion is FreeBSD can connect wired network to wireless network by using FreeBSD as a router. In addition, FreeBSD can also be configured as a gateway that can run internet connection sharing. But FreeBSD cannot simulate the full capabilities of the access point. The drawback is that the Orinoco wireless device cannot function as a bridge even though the FreeBSD kernel itself already supports bridges. Another weakness is that the wireless network mode that can be run is peer-to-peer mode, not infrastructure. And that's all I can deliver in this opportunity. For the rest of the explanation, you could check it in the link on the description below. And thank you so much for your description, for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh. My name is Aldeanor. I am here to review the journal about the introduction to computer network. An introduction to computer network. Computer network are a system of interconnect computer for the purpose of sharing digital information. The concept of a network began in 1962 when a server at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology was connected to a server in Santa Monica, California. Since that time, the proliferation of computer and computer network has increased significantly. Yang pertama, jaringan komputer atau jaringan data adalah jaringan telekomunikasi yang memungkinkan komputer melakukan pertukaran data. Dalam jaringan komputer, perangkat komputasi berjaringan meneruskan data satu sama lain di sepanjang koneksi data. Koneksi atau tautan jaringan antar node dibuat menggunakan media kabel atau media nirkabel. Jaringan komputer paling terkenal adalah internet. Perangkat komputer jaringan yang berasal, merutakan dan mengakhiri data disebut node jaringan. Node dapat menyertakan host seperti komputer pribadi, telepon, server, serta perangkat keras jaringan. Dua perangkat semacam itu dikatakan memiliki jaringan bersama. Ketika satu perangkat dapat bertukar informasi dengan perangkat lain, terlepas dari apakah kedua memiliki koneksi langsung atau tidak. Jaringan komputer mendukung aplikasi seperti akses ke World Wide Web, penggunaan bersama aplikasi dan server, penyimpanan printer dan mesin fax, serta penggunaan aplikasi email dan pesan instan. Jaringan komputer berbeda dalam media fisik yang digunakan untuk mengirimkan sinyalnya, protokol komunikasi untuk mengatur lalu lintas jaringan, ukuran jaringan, topologi, dan tujuan organisasi. Yang kedua, properti jaringan komputer. Ada memfasilitasi komunikasi interpersonal, memungkinkan berbagi file, data, dan jenis informasi lainnya, memungkinkan berbagi jaringan dan sumber daya komputasi, dan mungkin tidak aman dan dapat mengganggu teknologi lain. Dan yang ketiga ada protokol dalam jaringan. Ada internet cepat, pembicaraan lokal, token ring, FDDI atau Fiber Distributed Data Interface, ATM atau mode transfer asinkron, dan gigabyte internet. Yang keempat, aplikasi penerapan teknologi nirkabel, yaitu telepon seluler, komunikasi data nirkabel, transfer energi nirkabel, teknologi medis nirkabel, perangkat antarmuka komputer. Dan yang kelima, network security. What is network security? What is network security and how does it protect your network? Many network security threats today are spread over the internet. The most common include: number 1, virus, worm, and Trojan horses. Number 2, spyware and adware. Number 3, zero-day attack, also called zero horse attack. Number 4, hacker attack. Number 5, denial of service attack. Number 6, data interception and theft. Number 7, identity theft. You need multiple layer of security. If one fails, others still stand. Network security is accomplished through hardware and software. The software must be constantly updated and managed to protect you from a magic trick. A network security system usually consists of many components. Ideally, all components work together, which minimize maintenance and improve security. Network security components often include: number 1, antivirus and anti-spyware. Number 2, firewall. to block unauthorized access to your network. Number 3, Intrusion Prevention System or IPS to identify spreading threats such as zero-day or zero-host attack. Number 4, Virtual Private Network or VPNs to private secure remote access. Kalau ada yang kurang jelas bisa mencek jurnal di link yang ada di deskripsi video. Sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, I'm Irfan Noviansyah. I want to review the journal Development of a Computer Network Safety System based on Network Forensic Analysis. Introduction. Computer networks are developing very rapidly, both in commercial institutions or in the academic world, and even in people's homes that need internet access. The internet is accessed by many people without expression, hackers and crackers. For some reason they do infiltration that can harm the owners of the server and computer networks. They use a variety of computer sophistication of attacks and tools on computer network is inversely proportional to knowledge of intrusion on computer networks. This is because the attack occur the more automatic and occurs a large number. MikroTik router is an operating system that can be used as reliable network router, covering a full range of features for networking. In addition, MikroTik can also function as an investigator for intrusion on computer network and firewall for the older computer and give priority to the computer in order to access internet data and local data. MikroTik aims to regulate bandwidth and perform computer network management. The MikroTik router is placed on computer that is used a gateway to a network. The gateway computer function to distribute data in, out of, and other computers so that all computers can access data together such as internet sharing. Number 2, research methodology. The methodology used in this research is the forensic process model. Research stage. Number 1, detection. At this stage, what is done is detecting and looking for evidence, introduction of evidence infiltration, and evidence gathering when box rotorios is used to detect attacks. Examination. Number 2, examination. At this stage, the search for hidden information and reveals relevant documentation. Checking user the Winbox RouterOS software. For example, check the order of packet and number data packet and others. Number 3, analysis, which is the stage that will explore the forensic rationale, namely what happened, whose IP address did the attack, when the attack occurred, and how the attack occurred. Number 4, report, namely writing a report on the examination process and data obtained from all investigation. Number 5, execution. The network forensic results that have been observed then become a reference for creating a computer network security system using MikroTik. Number 3, result and discuss. Point number 1, detections. DDoS attack detection in this case uses Winbox RouterOS software which show the identity of the attacker. The green color indicates legal access, while the red color indicated legal access to the computer network. The UADMTI Research Laboratory. Number 2, examination. The number of data packets sent by attacks that enter into computer network surface. Point number 3, network forensic analysis. After detecting illegal access, we involve authorized software then provides more detailed. Point number 4, execution. In addition to obtaining efficient and anticipation system was created, namely by blocking the IP address of the attackers so that the same attack did not occur in the future. For conclusion, based on the result of testing and analysis, a computer network security system can be designed using computer network forensic evidence. And after a computer network security system has been created, the attacker will not be able to carry out future attacks using the same method. And for more details, please open the journal that I reviewed, and there is also a list of the treasures. Thank you.